Okay, once again, this is an oldie but a goodie. It's been around for years and years and years and years, okay? I'm gonna do an apple push it in. Good length, because you want a good head size head, but when you pull it out, hold it down towards the bottom, and you get that kind of a look, okay? If you hold it out to the bottom, it'll make a difference between the top and the bottom. Push the knot in a little bit. One arm, no neck. Pop tie. Second arm. Now I'm locking this because I wanted to make sure that that head did not come out. All right, I wanted to get enough friction in there first. All right, ear tie, because it's going to be a pop tie. Pop tie, which means I divide that in half. Ear tie, I divide that in half. Okay. Body, leg, foot, leg. And once again, you'd think Ninja Turtles would have tails, but they don't, right? Because they're turtles, they're not tadpoles. All right. So I'm going to just let the air out of this. So now I have a leg, foot, leg, and I ear tied these. Let the air out. Now it came untwisted a little bit that time, only because I didn't hold it tight enough. And I don't have to cut that off. I could just wrap it around the feet until it's gone. All right. Now what that's going to do is that's going to cause them to stand up. All right. Now before I pop the hands, I will make a weapon. Now here's how I do it. This is actually probably Michelangelo. Who is this? This is, I've got the orange guy. Oh, this is Michelangelo, so it might be Donatello or whatever. But I'm gonna make like a little dagger, a little sword. Just like that. Okay, just enough that it holds that. And then a little section for the handle for his hand to hold on to, okay? Then I cut that off, and I actually want to cut the little nozzle off as well. Now, if you've got a way to cut it where it's jagged or whatever, if you want to take the time to do that, that's fine. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to tie this into a small circle, but I want it to lay as flat as I can get it to lay on my hands. Just like that. All right. May not be perfect, but it's pretty flat. Okay. What this does is it wraps around the head. Lays flat. Okay. Perfect. Okay. What you get is you get the Ninja Turtle face. I'm going to pop the hands just like that. Bring the hands back. Just like that. Put the sword in his hand. You know, I might even do a circle around the stomach like that. Lines for the shell. Ninja Turtle. Now they make more complicated Ninja Turtles, I know that, but this one is pretty fast.